Berberine, what every diabetic should know. Ever wondered about the potent powers hidden within nature that could help manage diabetes? Allow us to introduce berberine, a unique herb that has astounded scientists and health experts with its remarkable effects on diabetes. Unravel the mysteries of berberine and discover how it can be a game changer in your journey with diabetes. Let's dive in. What is berberine and where does it come from? Berberine is a bioactive compound found naturally in a variety of plants such as barberry, golden seal, and Oregon grape. Identified by its striking yellow color, berberine has a rich history in traditional medicine, particularly in Chinese and Ayurvedic practices. Its significant health benefits have led to its enduring popularity over centuries. It is primarily celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects and its ability to lower blood glucose levels, making it a potent natural agent in managing various health conditions, notably diabetes. How does berberine help manage diabetes? Berberine helps manage diabetes primarily by reducing high blood glucose levels. It works in several ways. It improves insulin sensitivity, meaning the body is more responsive to the insulin it produces. It reduces glucose production in the liver, and it increases the process of glycolysis, helping the body break down sugars inside cells. Moreover, berberine promotes gut bacteria health, which can indirectly impact blood sugar control. These actions combined help lower blood glucose levels and manage diabetes effectively, similar to how the diabetes drug metformin operates. How should berberine be used for maximum benefit? For maximum benefit, berberine should be used consistently and under the supervision of a healthcare provider, as it is a potent compound. Typically, a dose of 500 milligrams taken 2 to 3 times daily is suggested, totaling 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams daily. It's usually taken with meals, or shortly after, to take advantage of the blood glucose and lipid spike that comes with meal consumption. However, it's important to note that everyone's body responds differently, and dosage may vary based on individual health circumstances. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting new supplements. It is also advised to pair berberine supplementation with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal diabetes management. What are the side effects of using berberine? As with any supplement, berberine can cause side effects, although they are usually mild and temporary. Some users may experience digestive side effects such as constipation, diarrhea, or gas. Other potential side effects include headaches, skin itching, and a decrease in blood pressure. In rare cases, high doses can potentially cause damage to the liver, so people with liver disease should use this supplement with caution. Berberine with other diabetes medications. Berberine can potentially interact with a number of medications, including those used to manage diabetes. For example, when used with insulin or drugs that increase insulin production, berberine might enhance its effects and increase the risk of low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. Therefore, it's crucial to discuss with a healthcare provider before starting berberine, especially if you're taking other medications for diabetes. They can help you understand the potential risks and benefits, and monitor your blood sugar levels closely to ensure they stay within a safe range. How quickly can one expect to see results after starting berberine? The time frame in which individuals might see results after starting berberine can vary widely, depending on factors such as the severity of their condition, their overall health status, diet, and physical activity levels. However, some research suggests that improvements in blood glucose levels may be observed as early as within a few weeks of consistent use. Yet, it's crucial to remember that berberine is not a quick fix. It should be used as part of an overall plan for managing diabetes, which includes regular physical activity, a healthy diet, and regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Can berberine prevent or delay the onset of diabetes-related complications? Berberine has potential in aiding the prevention and delay of diabetes-related complications like heart disease and kidney damage. Its ability to lower blood glucose levels can reduce the risk of such complications that arise from prolonged high blood sugar. Berberine can also counteract inflammation and oxidative stress, commonly found elevated in diabetics. However, it's vital to remember that berberine is an adjunct, not a replacement for prescribed medication. Where to purchase high-quality berberine? Berberine is widely available online and in health food stores. However, it's essential to ensure you're purchasing a high-quality product from a reputable source. Look for brands that provide third-party testing results, which offer an added layer of assurance that the product is pure and contains the stated amount of berberine. Websites like Amazon, iHerb, and Vitacost often carry a wide range of brands. See the link in the description. Berberine, an ancient compound with promising potential in diabetes management, should be used responsibly and under medical guidance. It's an adjunct tool, best combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. Remember, every health journey is a lifelong commitment, so be patient. Before starting berberine, consult with your doctor to make sure it's the right choice for you. Also, watch this video for the best diabetes foods to eat with berberine. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.